Yes, student. Let's start with practice set 3. Question is, use proper geometrical instrument to construct the following angles and use the compass and the ruler to bisect them. We have to draw angle using proper geometrical instrument. So how we draw an angle? By using a protractor and a ruler and a pencil. And yes, we have to bisect all the angles given in this practice set. So question number 1 is 50 degree. Very first thing we will be drawing is a 50 degree angle. Remember previous video? First we will draw base. Now here at the vertex 50 degree. Now 50 degree is an acute angle, so again if I am taking 50 degree here, it will be an obtuse angle. That's why I am marking 50 degree here, because 50 degree is an acute angle, a closed angle. Now step 2 of previous video says that we have to name the angle. I am naming it as A, B, C and marking here and showing 50 degree angle. Always remember to show this angle at the vertex. Now using a compass, remember we have to take this. Always pencil should be smaller than the height of a compass, C, and it should be a sharpened pencil. I am using a clutch pencil. Now I am opening only this much, very little bit, keeping at point B, drawing one arc number 1, such that this arc should intersect arms of the angle which we have drawn. We have to draw arc in such a way that it intersects both the arms. Now we got 2 points. I am naming it as point P and point Q. Now with same measurement, I am not going to change the measurement of compass. With same measurement, keeping on point P, drawing arc number 2. Keeping on point Q, drawing arc number 3. Yeah, we got one more point. I am going to name this point as R. Now we have to join point B and point R. And this is a V bisected angle ABC of 50 degree. Now when we measure, angle ABR will be 25 degree and angle RBC will be 25 degree. To show equal sign that these two angles are equal, I am putting a circle. We can either draw 2 circles or a 2 cross marks. Either of this. I am drawing these 2 circles. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 115 degree. 115 degree is an obtuse angle. First we will draw base. Now using a protractor, 115 here. Now if I take 115 here, it will be a closed angle, and obtuse angle are always open one. I am drawing, so I am taking 115 here. Right measurement of angle always. After this we have to name angle. I am naming X, Y, Z. Again taking compass, putting on vertex Y. We have to draw arc wherein it cuts both the arms of the angle. See, I have drawn the arc where it intersects both the arms of the angle. Keeping on this point. Now remember we have to name these 2 angles as well. So I am naming it as M N, sorry. Now with same measurement, we do not have to change the measurement. I am drawing arc number 2 here. With same measurement, keeping on point N, I am drawing arc number 3. Now we got this point. This point we will name as point O, rather P. Now we have to join P and Y. This is our angle bisector. Now to show equal angles, I am putting your cross mark sign. Now when we measure, we will come to know that angle XYP and angle ZYP will be equal. Fine. And remember, I forgot to tell you this in previous sum as well, that ray, now this is also a ray BR, because this is one point and this is arrow. So ray BR is bisector of angle ABC. What we say this is a bisector. Why? Because this ray is dividing this angle into two equal parts. So ray BR is a bisector. Again in second sum, ray YP. Ray YP is the bisector of angle XYZ, because ray YP is dividing this angle in two equal parts. Third sum I want you all to do as a homework, 80 degree, which you have to do as a homework. Last sum of this practice set, it says 90 degree, that is a right angle. I am taking here, drawing 90 degree. Now to show 90 degree, we have to just draw the box. No need to put the curve part and write 90 degree. If we put this box, it means that angle is a right angle itself. Naming this angle as MNP. Taking the compass, putting over N, drawing the arc. After drawing the arc, see to it that arc cuts both the arms again. Now with same measurement, we are getting 2 points over here. See, 1, 2. I am naming it as L, O. Keeping on O, point O with same measurement. Do not change the measurement. Draw one more arc, arc number 2. Keep on point L, draw another arc, arc number 3. 3 arcs are drawn. Every time we have to draw 3 arcs. We are getting here one more point. See, if your arc doesn't intersect, make sure you are keeping again on the same point and you extend your arc. Okay, yeah. Naming this as point A. Now we will be joining N and A. Again M and A. Angle M and A and angle A and P are equal angle. To show equal angles, I am drawing 2 circles. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubt, write in comment section.